All right, good morning, everybody's. How we doing? How we feeling? It is officially hump day. Had an interesting close to yesterday's session, so we interested to see how we continue, this morning at the open. Let me get on my. All right. All right, let's go ahead and start with the quote of the day. And today we got good decisions come from experience. Experience comes from making bad decisions. All right. Just know that in order to play the game well, we gotta be in the game. All right. So let's get in the game today. Go ahead and get rid of that. Alrighty. Come on, internet. That's interesting. All right. So today on the economic calendar, we have crude oil inventories, and today is an FOMC day. So as we should all know by this point, this is one of my least favorite days of the trading on the trading calendar. All right. Tomorrow we have initial jobless claims, and I just realized I posted the wrong thing earlier on Twitter. It's all good. I have to update that later. But let's move forward. Let's see. All right, and the power range report, we had a high of 11,254.50 with a low of 11,208.50. At the time of this posting, we were trading bullish, up 0.63%. It looks like that has changed when I looked at on the website. But, and at the time, there was 91K of volume with an ATR at 310.45. All right, so let's go ahead and look at that on the chart. Okay, you see we're trading bullish. We traded bullish overnight, coming into some resistance right here at this range of 11,377. Yep. What we got above that? So I'll be looking from, let's see, I say 415 to 377. We already traded through this wick. We're testing this area here. All right, so interesting. A little choppy in the pre-market. Not too bad though. All right. So 314 to 377 ish is what I'll be looking at. All right, what did I say? No, 414. So keep this fib line in mind. All right, we'll get some music going. Some music. Just gonna put my music in rotation today. I'm not gonna do it just one song. I need to work on that over the weekend. Finishing some of my other projects. take my pre-market snapshot. Put that in the journal. Got about 3 minutes before the bell. So I'm gonna take this moment real quick to give a little reminder. A few months ago, I put out this video. Go ahead and open it up. Just real quick, right here where you can this opportunity to fund your account. That is way too big. Let me know why this pen tool is acting funny sometimes. All right, let's try it now. All right, yeah. So this opportunity to fund your account. If you want to do it with your own, if you want to trade with your own money, you don't want to go the funded account route. I put this video right here of a way that you can fund your account. That opportunity is still available, and actually, the community that I'm with, we've improved the process a little bit. Basically, you can have 63,000 in a month. All right, and so just go ahead and check this video out right here if you're interested. If you haven't looked at it before, and just let me know if you're interested. So I just want to go ahead and put that back out as a reminder that opportunity is still available. And I'm working on some other stuff to actually make it even better than what it is already. So just a little quick reminder while we wait for the open, which is less than a minute. So what does that sound like? It's kind of loud in my headphones. As they say in the Philippines, it's my ingay. Alright, the buy-in continues at the open, which is not surprising. keep in mind we have, or for me personally, I'm going to keep in mind that we have the sell-off that we're still trying to recover from the Trump reaction yesterday evening or afternoon. It was around like lunchtime, right? You gotta love politics. So I'm going to be looking at yesterday's high. It should be the peak of that. Yeah. Just going to mark it off at 520. Buyer's still pushing the price higher. Let's say 520. We got a long way to go before we even get close to there. We'll go ahead and mark it off. I'm gonna need some kind of pullback before I get a signal to place a trade. I'm looking for the best price to get in. I'll go half a position right here.
Order submitted.
Gotta let my biases not get in the way today. Not even though all the signs right now are pointing to the long side. Just looking at the structure and the price action and everything. However, I'm a little more short biased or neutral. Really, it's more so neutral today. But I'm just gonna trade what the market is giving me. I'm protected with everything else, so. And most of my focus is in the Leeloo account, so most of my trades are gonna happen there within NinjaTrader. You can see all the information from my Leeloo trades on the journal. It's a reminder about that. Got a little battle going on right now. I have an order placed to get in on the dip. Okay, let me screenshot that. Sometimes I forget about my journal when I'm actually trading. I forget to take screenshots that I need to put in the journal. Let's see, what's this 941? Is this a trap, or are we gonna keep pushing higher? It's a good chance that it can push higher on a little momentum. Since I'm looking for the best price, for me personally, this isn't the best price for the way I'm seeing the market. Of course, everyone has their own perception and their own way of looking at things, but for me personally, I wouldn't be interested in a breakout right here if I'm going to be looking for the best price. I've seen NQ lately take off in places like this, which it looks like it's trying to do now, and I'm perfectly fine if that happens. I want what I want, and I'm not gonna chase off of something that I'm not prepared for, or that I'm not planning to do. Right now it's looking like a trap, but that could change. Could just be loading the boat. Could just be accumulating at this point. At this current time, buyers look to maybe have control. Sellers are definitely, trying to take over. See how low they can push the price down. Go ahead and place one more order. Let's see where I want it. Where do I want it?
Order submitted.
If I'm lucky, I get filled on both of those. Unless Trump decides to put out another tweet, and then that would be, it'll be what it is. By the looks of it, I may not even get my first order filled. Buyers are still in control. Sellers not giving up. Looks like we got a pretty strong ceiling up there at 430. So if we break that area, if we break that range, price can really run up. You have people trying to go long there, the breakout traders. You have a lot of stops from the shorters. The people are trying to short at the area of resistance. Buyers are trying to break it again. Still not the trade that I'm looking for. Currently, I'm more of a fan of my buy the dip technique. Depending on how this candle closes, this does look. We still got like 2 minutes to go, but I'm looking at the 3-minute chart. I'm not going to speculate too much, so I'm just going to watch it and see what happens and let the candle actually close. right, there's the break. Let's see if we can, the momentum can carry us higher. How high can we go? Anyone who bought that break right now is feeling a little bit of pain. Still looks good for the long side. Sellers don't want to give up quite just yet. Momentum seems to be dying a little bit. Personally, I don't like the way those last two candles close. Well, if I was to have taken a breakout there, I like it for the orders that I placed. But I'm not gonna make any changes yet. Yesterday, the market gave me a lot of information or a lot of things that I could screenshot. Today, not so much. It's just pretty much just, we had the little breakout at the open and been just trading sideways. So not a whole lot of interesting stuff going on right now. It's like watching paint dry almost. But also it's like watching a little mini battle in this little pennant pattern here. But not a whole lot going on. Not much most traders will get excited about. So this is the sell-off that I was looking for. Let's see how far we push the price down. Like I've stated before, I don't expect a whole lot of momentum on these FOMC, these Fed days in the morning session. Just from what I've experienced looking at other traders and being in chat rooms and all that stuff, most traders are more on these days. Most traders are more excited about the afternoon than they are about the morning. most of the retail traders looking to take advantage of that Fed, the momentum off of the Fed event and the volatility. See, I forgot to screenshot this again. Right now, I'm not looking for any home run plays. It's more so being in and out of the trade. I'm not expecting a whole lot of trending momentum if I do get filled. It looks like we're about to get filled here soon.
Order filled. I'm in one long. I actually would like it to go down a little further than that. Screenshot. Put it in the journal.
just watching this, see how we play out. Got a couple ideas in my head of some possible ways to manage it, but I'm just gonna let it play. Put a little hindsight capital note in there in the journal. So this one, it automatically boom my stop up to a break even. So worst case scenario, I just get a break even. But I got a target for a quick out at 417. So 417 and a quarter. We'll see if we get there. Then I will end the stream at the completion of this trade.
Order canceled.
Didn't quite make it, so that one just ended up being a break even. Not mad at it. I probably could actually see another area that I could actually take a trade, but I'm gonna go ahead and end it today. I'm going to go ahead and let that be my only trade for the day. Got some other things to do, and yeah, that's gonna do it for today's stream. Appreciate y'all coming and hanging out with me, all three of y'all. And I will holler at y'all later. Hope y'all have a good rest of the day. Trade it easy. Deuces.